What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel, folks. Today we have another product review video, and we have a tool set sent to us by Casoman. We're gonna go ahead and open this up. Wow, this looks really nice. The packaging looks really nice on this. I'm gonna take off the plastic. This tool set is supposed to include metric and standard sizes. We're gonna go ahead and check this out. This is the user manual, but really you don't need a user manual for this. And this is it right here, the 55-piece magnetic nut driver set from Casoman. We can go ahead and check this one out. You can see it has a magnet inside the socket right there. And this is really nice because when you go to start a bolt or a nut, you don't really have to hold it. It will just hold itself. So that's really nice. I can't wait to use those. This tool set right here from Casoman is actually going to come in very handy. Now I do have my DeWalt impact gun here with my Vanon Pro battery pack. Make sure to check them out. I'll leave a link in the description down below to this battery pack. And we're just going to go ahead and try out a 7. And I have a 7mm bolt that we can just put on here just to try out the magnetic feature. And look at that. Wow, that's really nice. It's going to come in handy. I already can't wait to put these to use at work. This is an example of a GM fastener, by the way. And then it also comes with these attachments right here. With these attachments here, you can use any 1/4" socket or a 3/8 socket, which will make it really nice. You can see the blue ones are the metric size sockets and the red ones are the standard size sockets. So it does come with both in this 55-piece magnetic nut driver set from Casoman. I will leave a link in the description down below to this tool set. Make sure to pick one up because they will come in very handy. And as I already demonstrated, the magnetic feature will come in very handy. And as usual, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Till next time, folks.